Welcome back to Cars and Bikes Updater. Today, we're talking about one of Yamaha's most exciting middleweight sport bikes, the all-new 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7. With a perfect balance of aggressive styling, everyday usability, and track-ready capability, the R7 is a standout in Yamaha's R-Series lineup. Whether you're a weekend canyon rider or an aspiring track enthusiast, the 2025 YZF-R7 delivers serious performance without breaking the bank. Let's dive into what makes this machine a must-watch for 2025. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the fairing, the R7 is powered by a 689 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, DOHC inline twin-cylinder engine, the same CP2 engine platform that has proven its reliability in the MT-07. Producing around 73 horsepower and 50 lb-ft of torque, the R7 is not the most powerful bike in its class, but it excels in delivering linear power and a thrilling ride thanks to its 270-degree crankshaft. This setup gives it a torquey, responsive character and a rumble that feels more like a V-twin than a parallel twin. Yamaha didn't hold back when it came to handling and suspension. The R7 features a lightweight, high-strength steel frame with an aluminum center brace, offering excellent stability and feedback. The front end boasts a fully adjustable 41mm KYB inverted fork with 5.1 inches of travel, while the rear features a linked monocross single shock with adjustable preload and rebound damping. This makes the bike both nimble and planted in corners, perfect for tight urban streets or twisty back roads. Braking is handled by dual 298mm front discs with radial mount calipers and a single 245mm disc at the rear, all supported by ABS. These brakes provide strong, predictable stopping power, essential for spirited rides. The R7 rolls on lightweight 17-inch cast aluminum wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport S22 tires, offering excellent grip in both wet and dry conditions. Visually, the 2025 YZF-R7 is striking. Its aerodynamic fairing, sharp LED lighting, and central M-shaped intake duct scream super sport styling. The bike features a high-contrast LCD display for essential ride data and comes equipped with Yamaha's assist and slipper clutch, which reduces lever effort and ensures smoother downshifts. These features make the R7 ideal for both daily riding and more aggressive sessions on the track. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7 is priced at an MSRP of $9,199, offering incredible value for riders seeking performance and style without entering the super sport price bracket. It will be available in two color options, Team Yamaha Blue and Matte Raven Black, with availability starting in December 2024. That wraps up our full breakdown of the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R7. If you're looking for a middleweight sport bike that balances price, performance, and daily usability, the R7 should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cars and Bikes Updater for more awesome bike and car reviews.